One does not become fully human painlessly. These powerful words by existential psychologist Rollo May remind us that struggle and suffering are not signs of weakness, but essential parts of life's journey. But why is pain necessary for growth? And how can embracing discomfort lead to a more meaningful life? Let's explore May's perspective on existential psychology. In the mid-19th century, philosophers like Martin Heidegger, Friedrich Nietzsche, and Soren Kierkegaard questioned society's rigid beliefs and encouraged people to think more deeply about existence. This movement, known as existentialism, focused on personal responsibility, free will, and the search for meaning in an unpredictable world. Rollo May introduced existential thought into psychology, becoming known as the father of existential psychology. In The Meaning of Anxiety, 1950, he argued that anxiety, suffering, and struggle are not disorders to be eliminated but natural experiences that help us grow. As human beings, we naturally seek comfort. We surround ourselves with familiar environments and label experiences as good or bad based on how pleasurable they feel. But Rollo May warns that this mindset limits us. By avoiding discomfort, we reject opportunities for growth. Instead of resisting difficult emotions like sadness or anxiety, May suggests that we embrace them. Pain is not an enemy, it's a teacher. Just like a muscle grows stronger under stress, our minds evolve through challenges. Life is not meant to be painless. Growth requires struggle, and fulfillment comes from facing challenges head-on. So the next time you encounter pain, remember, it's not a setback, but a step toward becoming fully human. What are your thoughts on Rollo May's perspective? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into psychology and personal growth.